Millionaire Matcha, Millionaire Matcha, Millionaire. Millionaire Matcha, you guys are gonna love it.
It's delicious.
It's amazing.
And nutritious.
And good for you.
So cute.
We're doing an extra scoop of matcha today because we need energy.
Welcome to Kitchen Diaries, Life Between Recipes, a series documenting the moments happening around food. In episode 1, I'm sharing a behind-the-scenes look at creating content for my matcha brand, Millionaire Matcha.
Do some water. These are the cutest cups. So cute. I can really taste this cream.
Slide that.
So now we're adding,
for real. I got energy now.
now we're adding the code foam because we forgot about it.
Oh my god, I wish I was zoomed in. That looks yummy. Pour it up, pour it up. Watch it all fall out. Millionaire Matcha!
Millionaire Matcha.
Coming to a shopping cart near you.
I taste the sea salt.
I like sea salt though with sweets. Like I'm a sea salted caramel girl.
I'm a salt girl.
right.
I'm a flaky salt girl.
Salt bae, if you will.
Like, take me to the ocean. Seriously.
What?
Seriously, I love flaky sea salt. Like, I don't understand how I have gone without it.
This really just reminds me of like green tea.
It is.
No, yeah, but like, you know how I don't think I've had matcha that gave me that. I don't know how to explain it, but I like that earthiness when I drink green tea.
I get what you're saying.
And I like that I can taste all of that with this. I got all the additions, but it still feels like matcha.
It's that Millionaire Matcha. Not that stuff y'all getting from Starbucks, Dunkin', or all these other
Blank
coffee
Street.
shops. Haven't been there yet. Want to check it out. Have you been here?
I've had their overnight oats. I've had some of their coffees. Pretty good.
Time to get to work because we got things we have to accomplish. We got things we're trying to do. We're about to watch the Kim Kardashian MasterClass because we are building multi-million-dollar businesses.
Empires.
Determine your brand's DNA, the values, the visuals, and the voice that make your product instantly recognizable.
This is what my days look like lately. Creating, learning, and building at the same time. While I'm creating, I'm also learning. Watching this masterclass reminds me that building something takes patience, consistency, and the willingness to keep showing up even when it's not perfect. I love moments like this where inspiration and action exist in the same place. That's where the real growth happens.
Just a Kim brand. We did understand that at launch, for the first year, I would be in every single photo shoot to get the consumer used to the product, and we needed me to launch that.